Majority of the people who have this so-called perfect body you see on social media are actually the most unhealthy people behind the scenes. Just watch this.
Don't do steroids. I can give you many reasons why not to do steroids. I promise you, chasing that goal will make you more depressed than you are right now. And just take it from me. I've done pretty well for myself, especially with a really small amount of gear, but I've experienced so many more side effects than you think.
So if you are chasing this body naturally, at the end of the day, you're going to ruin your energy, your consistency, and endanger your health. As someone who has been working out for more than 5 years, trust me, I know how hard it feels to fall into the trap of chasing the perfect body which does not exist. So in this video, I'm going to show you why chasing the perfect body will ruin your health and what to do in order to escape this trap whilst getting fit. So just a quick one. My name is Razik and welcome back again to my channel, Get Fit with Razik. So now, what do we mean by perfect body? The idea of perfect body does not exist. Perfect body is an illusion which is created by social media, which is created by fitness influencers, which is created by unrealistic expectation. And the shocking thing is that majority of the people do not realize that majority of this body type that they see on social media actually were not built naturally.
Social media is toxic. Let me explain. There are a lot of fitness influencers out there that create unrealistic expectations for you. It's okay to draw inspiration, but a lot of influencers are on PEDs or steroids, including myself. You don't see everything that goes on behind the scenes.
They were built on extreme supplementation. They were built on chemicals like performance enhancement drugs like steroids, TRT, peptides. And the thing is that majority of them will not tell you the truth as to how they built their body. And they will tell you that you can build that type of body naturally by following their workout tutorial, by recommending some supplements. They will not tell you the truth as to how they built their body. Meanwhile, they'll be telling you that you can build that type of body within 3 months, setting some unrealistic expectation, telling you that you can achieve this type of body by working less. So guess what? You go to the gym and start doing all the work, start working out 6 days in a week, following their workout tutorials, and at the end of the day, you'll not be able to see results. Now, let me tell you why chasing the perfect body is going to ruin your health. The first one is overworking. Because we are chasing the perfect body that we see on social media, which were not built naturally, we go to the gym, we want to do everything at once in order to get that perfect body we see on social media. So we go to the gym 6 days in a week, we try all the type of exercise we see on social media, all the type of tutorials, following diet here and there in order to get that physique. We want to do everything at once. We use heavy weight, and at the end of the day, it's going to have serious health consequences. Because when you push the body above the limit that the body can take, at the end of the day, the body is going to break down and you might get serious injuries that you will not be able to recover from. You can get sleeplessness, you can get serious joint injury, you can get serious back pain, you can get chronic fatigue, and all these things are health conditions that you might not be able to recover from just because you want to achieve that perfect body which was not built naturally. But remember, resting and sleeping is part of muscle growth. Without resting, without sleeping, muscle will not be able to grow because it is through resting and sleeping. That's how the muscles repair worn out tissues and they grow. And because you want to get that perfect body, you are not giving time for the body to rest. You are not giving time for the body to sleep in order to recover its worn out tissue, in order for the muscles to grow. The second one is extreme supplementation. Because you want to achieve that perfect body, and we start going to the gym, we do all the exercise, we do all the cardio, we do all the exercise, we lift all the dumbbells, we use all heavy weight, and at the end of the day, we are not getting results. You want to try all the supplements, you want to use all the creatine, you want to use all the protein powder. At the end of the day, it will lead to exhaustion. And remember, there's some research which was done recently that assessed majority of this protein powder on the market, and they realized that majority of this protein powder which is out there consists of a considerable amount of lead which is above the limit. And when you continue to consume all these supplements in your body, at the end of the day, these metals are going to accumulate and it's going to have serious health conditions. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong in taking protein because under normal circumstances there's a requirement of the amount of calories, the amount of nutrients we need to consume through food. But because of our busy schedule, because of how life gets busy and all that, we are not able to meet up with that nutrients. So that's how supplements come in. So supplements act as an add-on when you are not able to meet the daily nutrient requirements. So you use the supplement in order to add on the nutrient deficit. The third point is chemical shortcut. Because you are chasing the perfect body, which you see on social media, which was built on chemicals, and because you want to build it naturally and you are not able to do that, you go to the gym 3 months, 6 months, and you are not seeing results. You start taking shortcuts in order to get that perfect body. So you result in taking performance enhancement drugs like steroids, peptides, TRT, testosterone, and all other chemicals that is available in order to get that so-called perfect body that you are looking for. And remember this, all these chemicals are detrimental to your health. They are dangerous to your health. That is why it is banned across all athletics games and across all athletics competition and industry. Some of the side effects of using some of these drugs is infertility. You can have serious cardiovascular issues like heart disease, heart attack. You can have skin rashes. You can lose your hair, which is baldness, and you might even grow hair in places which hair is not supposed to grow. There are adverse side effects of using steroid. But majority of the youth which are coming because they are chasing this so-called perfect body because they feel like that is the trend. They don't even care about the side effects of steroids. And that is where the problem is. So now you know why chasing the perfect body is going to ruin your health. Now let me tell you why people get trapped in this idea of chasing the perfect body. The reason why people get trapped in chasing this perfect body that you see on social media is because of social media pressure and social media illusion. Because right now, when you go on social media, what you see about fitness is people showcasing their body, somebody taking pictures in gym, showing their pump body, showing their biceps, showing their six packs. So you also want to be part. You don't want to feel behind. So the reason why you are chasing that perfect body is not because you actually want to be fit. It's because you feel behind. Because when you go on social media, everybody is working out, everybody is showcasing their body. In order not to be left out, you also tried to also chase the perfect body by resulting in shortcuts, using drugs, using over supplementation in order to achieve that perfect body. Now you know why you are trapped in chasing this perfect body. Now let me tell you how to escape this trap. The first one is to understand what fitness is really about. Fitness is not only about physique. Physique is a portion of what fitness is about. Physique is the bonus that you get from working out. The actual benefit of working out is to be fit. The ability to go about your day-to-day activities without having to struggle. The ability to live longer whilst being fit and being healthy. That is the ultimate goal of fitness. Right now, we are so addicted to the physique rather than actually being fit and being healthy. Actually, I've done a video about what real fitness is about. So kindly watch it after watching this video. I've linked it at the end of this video. The second thing to do in order to escape this trap is to create your own perfect body. Don't use the body you see on social media and say, okay, I want to get a body like this person. I want to get a body like this person that you see on social media. Probably you don't know how that person built his body. Probably he built his body on drugs. He didn't build his body naturally. And if you want to build that type of body naturally, it is not possible. And at the end of the day, you are going to push your body above its limit and you are going to get injuries. So the third point, set your own personal goals. Or maybe for the first 3 months, I want to do only this type of exercise, this type of exercise. I want to use only 20 kilogram. Then after 3 months, I want to increase the weight from 20 kilogram to 30 kilogram. I will do this type of exercise. I will train this specific muscle. I'm going to use this type of equipment. I'm going to do 30 minutes of jogging. I'm going to do 20 minutes of running. I'm going to do this cardiovascular exercise. Set your own personal fitness goals, and that is going to help you to escape this trap. And the next point, start small and always be consistent. I've talked about this in all my videos. One thing you need to understand is this: fitness is a long-term game. It's not something that you do for 4 years and you quit. It's not like you are going to get a degree. It's a lifetime game. So why the rush? Start small, grow with time, and at the end of the day, you'll be able to get a result. Trust me. The last point is this: fix your social media. Follow influencers who have track record, who have built their body naturally, who will motivate you in order to be consistent at the gym, who will not make you feel bad about being a beginner. These are the type of people that you have to follow because they will direct you to the right path. So if you're a beginner and you have now started your fitness journey and you feel stuck and you feel like you are a failure because you are following a standard which is not realistic, that is why you are stuck and you think you're not seeing results. So just continue, don't give up, and be consistent. So if you feel stuck and you think you're a failure because you are not seeing results in working out, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, because here I'm going to tell you what real fitness is about, and also comment below what actual fitness means to you. Is it only about the physique, or is it about being healthy, the ability to live long? Just comment below what actual fitness means to you. And remember, consistency beats motivation. I will see you in the next video.